Welcome to electrifying Twin Peaks and B. Brands that are unique yet connected, true to our roots yet excited to evolve. Electrifying Twin Peaks is building on a legend. It will have a range of products that will honor our legacy while embracing the future. For those customers who have the passion to live life beyond boundaries while making a difference. They value experiences. They explore the impossible. On the other hand, B, with its audacious new design language, will open spaces to a completely reimagined world. Bold, evocative, exhilarating, and intuitive. That will push the boundaries of expectation. In a world that doesn't need you to fit in. A new brand that lets you be who you want to be. And now, the shape of things to come. Both the Twin Peaks and B brand will share one common all-new purpose-built platform, tailored specifically for EVs ground up, with 5 head-turning expressions of our vision, creating untold possibilities for Generation E. Our revolutionary next-generation platform is the basis of everything that follows. Purpose-built ground up, with breathtaking innovation at its beating heart. And this body has a soul. Intuitive, intelligent, immersive. We call our purpose-built electric platform experience InGlow. It's Indian innovation at heart and global in the reach and experience it will deliver. It's the flow and exchange of energy and emotion. We are proud to bring to you InGlow.
The InGlow platform is a new beginning, rewriting the rules to outperform on every level. Endless adaptability. Modular, scalable design that integrates with multiple top hats, variable lengths, variable widths, wheelbases, and overhangs. Creates an SUV that truly fits your lifestyle. And an optimized architecture with a significant reduction in underbody weight, giving us one of the lightest skateboards. Hyper efficiency, a giant leap in battery science with safe and robust LFP chemistry, using 2 different cutting-edge cell architectures, blade and prismatic, with energy options ranging from 60 to 80 kWh battery, designed for an incredible 175 kilowatt fast charge and charging up to 80% in less than 30 minutes. An intelligent and efficient battery management system with high precision, enhanced robustness and functional safety. Its high number of charge-discharge cycles coupled with a long lifespan will also help reduce waste, accelerating performance. A compact, all-in-one electric engine with motor, transmission, inverter integrated into a single unit. A whopping combination of rear-wheel drive with 170 kilowatt power and all-wheel drive with 250 kilowatt power. Intended to take you from 0 to 100 km per hour in less than 6 seconds. Optimized range, efficient powertrain, and high voltage systems. An intelligent brake system with best-in-class recuperation potential. Reduced rolling resistance with 5.5 RRC tires and zero drag wheel bearings. Ultimate vehicle dynamics. A best-in-class semi-active suspension system provides not only excellent ride comfort but also enhanced handling and immersive sporty drive experience. The brake-by-wire technology that is completely decoupled from hydraulic system allows multiple brake modes for pedal feel and recuperation. We are building for a 5-star global NCAP rating with a structural gauge around the passenger cabin, specially designed for reduced passenger injury, and most importantly, the excellent battery protection is ensured by ultra-high strength boron steel. It is tested at the world's largest battery development and testing center. The InClow platform enables the ultimate HMI, where experience and performance meet. It unleashes next-level brain power using a complex neural network of built-in intelligence. Imagine millions of reactions and decisions per second with 3 high-performance computers. The high-performance integrated computational platform enables microservices and embedded 5G network capability and over-the-air updates, high computing power, dual octa-core processor, and HD resolution.
Hey, Glow.
The intuitive and interactive interface of the vehicles creates a mesmerizing experience, sparking limitless connections between the customer and their vehicle, producing an immersive multi-sensorial environment, whether it's the reimagined cockpit or the edge-to-edge Vista screen display, or the mesmerizing Mars roof, or the futuristic augmented reality-enabled heads-up display. Mahindra has always held the highest commitment to safety. With 5 radars, 1 vision ADAS architecture, InGlow is future-proofed up to L2 plus autonomy. And in recent times, where work from anywhere is a reality for many of us, we understand that a vehicle is more than just mobility. Our electric portfolio will offer endless adaptability, so one can plug and play on the go any household appliance for playing, working, or just chilling. At the same time, the intelligent drive and terrain response modes are ready to take on anything, allowing one to truly experience the sport in electric SUVs. And an incredible thrust mode that offers thrill on tap.
Our new design philosophy is called hardcore design. It's about unmissable presence, an unmistakable blend of inner strength and expressed attitude. The heart is a muscle. The heart is a seat of all emotion. The heartbeat keeps you alive. The heart always trumps the mind. And the heart is impossible to tame. Hardcore is hardcore SUVs designed straight from the heart. These SUVs will create an electrifying presence on the road and off it, with their exciting proportions, scintillating surfaces, and eye-catching details using cutting-edge colors, materials, and finishes. It's time to meet the future of the electric SUVs. Introducing the first of the 2 new brand entities, B and electrifying Twin Peaks. Exhilarating from every angle, revolutionary in form and function, dynamic, refined, rugged, intuitive. The next generation of performance, elevating the eSUV.
Today is another milestone on our journey as we turn vision into reality and bring imagination to life. On city streets, off the beaten track, there is a dynamic new presence, exciting new choices, totally immersive experiences to fit every driver, enrich their lives, and power the electric revolution. Further and faster.
This is a landmark moment.
This is your front row seat to a totally reimagined dimension in the automotive world. Our vision is clear, so is our ambition. Today, we've seen the birth of two future icons. Two brands that represent a step change in the world of electric SUVs. Together, they will create a new paradigm. You also witnessed a new design language, dynamic, powerful, expressive, redefined shapes, proportions, and dimensions, imbibing thoughtful craftsmanship into every detail. A new presence on the street, exhilaration in motion in India and around the globe. What you've seen here is not just a vision. These are definitive strategic steps. We have a robust execution plan. We now begin a new countdown, a countdown to the launch day. Bring all this to you so that you experience a whole new world. Get on board, join us as we explore the impossible, and accelerate into an electrifying future.